stronger, an ant or an elephant? The answer may seem obvious, but it depends on how you look at it. For example, an elephant can lift thousands of pounds and an ant can only lift a couple milligrams, but when you look at them compared to their sizes, an ant is capable of lifting thousands of times their body weight, while an elephant can only lift about a tenth of their weight. Why is this? Well, this is because of a mathematical principle called the square cube law. You have a cube that's 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch. The surface area is 6 square inches, and the volume is 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch, or 1 cubic inch. If we were to double the dimensions of the cube, now it's 2 inch by 2 inch by 2 inch. Now surface area is 24 square inches, and volume is 8 cubic inches. Increasing the dimensions by a factor of 2, the surface area increased by a factor of 4, or 2 squared, but the volume increased by a factor of 8, or 2 cubed. Now let's triple the dimensions and make it 3 inch by 3 inch by 3 inch. The surface area is now 54 square inches, or increasing by a factor of 3 squared, and the volume is now 27 cubic inches, or increasing by a factor of 3 cubed. The pattern? By increasing the dimensions of a cube by a given factor, the surface area will increase by the square of that factor, while the volume increases by the cube of that factor. This is the square cube law. This means as a cube gets bigger, its volume will increase faster than the surface area. What does this have to do with the strength of an ant and an elephant? Well, strength is a factor of surface area, but weight is a factor of your volume. That means as an animal gets bigger, its weight will increase faster than its strength. So proportionally, bigger animals are actually weaker compared to their size than smaller animals. Why something as tiny as an ant is capable of lifting something thousands of times its weight, while an elephant, which is really big, can only lift a fraction of its weight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the square cube law and its applications, check the videos that I use as references in the description box below.